Friends, so in our last video we just seen one of the important programs, shuffling of arrays. So let me give you the quick recap how we had done the shuffling of arrays. So we just declared one array, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we want the output like 2 1 4 3 6 5. So here we just iterated over the arrays, and we stored one iteration like every one iteration in with temporary number, and later the number we had stored, those index we had replaced with next index position, and we just printed our output. So after once index has been completed, one iteration has been completed, I just made my index iteration loop get increased by 2, not with 1. So what is my output? Oh sorry, I'm executing wrong one here. Okay, let me execute this program. It's getting executed, and you can see my output will be 214365. So today we will discuss one of the important introduction, like finding the missing number in an array. How can we find it? So without using any internal methods like sorting or something, can we do this? Yes, we can do this. How we can do? So let's declare one array like numbers equal to, I'm just taking my array as 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 7 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9. So yeah, what the number which has got missed out is 6 in this continuous numbers. So what I am going to do, I'm just comparing like whether my particular number exists in the array or not by iterating over this. So let me copy this, and I'm just pasting in my program int array. So the logic which I am writing is helpful for you, not only for finding out single missing number, but we can find out like multiple missing numbers in an array also. So how we can do this? So yeah, I'm just declaring one index for iterating int index equal to 1. Why I'm just taking it as 1? Because my index, the lowest number in an index is 1. Okay, next, index less than numbers dot length. Okay, index plus plus. Next, what I want to do is I just want to take the length also. I'm just taking one length variable. Okay, for iterating for second iteration, length length equal to numbers dot length. Okay, why I took length is I just want to iterate one more time to find out like whether, because I'm not sorting the array, so I want to find out whether my particular number exists in the particular array or not. So I just want to iterate it twice. Okay, while next, while my length, sorry, I'm just taking length as 0, not as instead of numbers dot length I'm taking it as 0. Even we can do it like numbers dot length. So if we are taking the numbers dot length, we want to declare it as index less than greater than or equal to 0. So in this way we can do it with the numbers dot length. Remaining logic is same. I took it with 0, so I'm just taking it as length less than numbers dot length. Okay, yeah, I'm just finding out the missing number. So I'm just iterating like I'm just declaring one boolean variable, boolean flag equal to. Okay, next, what I want to do, I want to iterate over the numbers. So I'm just iterating numbers not based on the index, I'm just iterating based on the length. Okay, my length is 0, also I'm just taking it as numbers of length, because the index will always start from 0 in numbers, double equals to next index. Okay, because I just want to find out the missing number, so my index is 1. So I'm just comparing whether 1 exists or not, so it will get increased to 2. I just want to find out whether 2 exists or not, 3 4 in the same way, same fashion. Okay, if my number exists, Okay, my number exists in particular array, I will just make it as I'm just breaking my loop. Okay, if not, I just don't want to break my loop, I just want to continue it. Length plus plus, I want to increase my length, so I'm increasing it. After this, what I will do, I will just verify my condition whether my flag got false. Okay, because if it was negative, sorry, I declared in particular loop, so it is throwing some error. Let me declare it in for loop for temporary, so that I can access it from outside the for loop also. Initially my flag will be false. Okay, now if my flag is false, I want to print out my missing number. System.out.println missing number is plus index. Okay, let me execute this. So missing number, as we can say, 6 has got missed out in this particular array. So if sometimes, okay, let me remove one more number, 4. If someone has asked you to find out the missing numbers in an array, it's not the number. If someone has asked us to verify, like find out the missing numbers in an array, the same logic we are going to execute. So what is the output? Let's check it out. As we can see, we found like missing numbers. There are two missing numbers, 4 and 6, and it got printed successfully. So this is how we are just going to find out the missing number, at the same time missing numbers in an array using the single logic. I hope you guys understood the program. If you have any doubts, please comment out. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and click on bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.